What's the meaning of broad spectrum? Broad spectrum. Broad spectrum.
Broad spectrum. Broad spectrum. The term broad spectrum refers to a substance that is effective against a wide range of pathogens, such as bacteria or viruses. In the context of medicine, this term is often used to describe antibiotics or antiviral drugs that can target numerous types of microorganisms. Broad-spectrum substances are preferred over narrow-spectrum alternatives when the specific pathogen causing an infection is unknown, or when multiple types of pathogens are suspected. However, the use of broad-spectrum substances can also lead to the development of antibiotic resistance and should be used judiciously.